Greets everyone, it's Jeff from D-Trailers. So another video means another trailer. And this one we just got completed. It's a dynamo, but it's a little different than our normal dynamo as it is running on a 12 volt burner. Now if you've watched any of our videos, you know in the past I've been against 12 volt burners. And I was up until our burner manufacturer redesigned their 12 volt burner. Basically what they've done is they've designed it to run on a battery, and then the pressure washer charges the battery. Before, the reason I was against them is a lot of these manufacturers would have the burner running straight off the pressure washer power output, so you'd get voltage spikes, and they didn't work right. They didn't have real consistent heat. Not anymore. This system works really good. I've ran it for several hours. Real consistent hot flow coming out of the pressure washer. Back here we got 3600 PSI at 4 gallons a minute. We can also do this trailer in 3600 PSI all the way up to 8 gallons a minute depending on what you're doing. This customer, it's going to be really an all-purpose rig, so 4 gallons a minute was perfect for him. It's very powerful just like it is, and it doesn't use a whole lot of water. Stainless steel hose reel, 100 feet of high pressure hose on there. Customer has a bright orange Jeep with black wheels, so I kind of followed the theme with that. We did a bullet cap on these with some chrome lugs. And nice thing about this trailer, you can tow with just about anything. It's not real heavy when it's full of water, and it has, the tongue weight's only about 100-150 pounds on it. It's got room for a storage box up front. Other than that, just a real good hot water setup. Nice if you don't need a generator. You save the money on that by not having it on this. But if you did want a if you needed a generator for something, it's easy for us to add on, and then you could decide if you wanted to go with one 10 volt burner. The nice thing about the 12 volt is when you go to start up, you don't have to start the jet and get the power going and then turn on the burner. This thing's always ready to go. And you got to make sure you don't leave that on because it'll kill the battery. But always ready to go. And you have one engine running instead of two when you're running hot. So that's that. If you have any questions, you can contact me directly anytime, or you can check us out on the website. And we have another website also. It's www.dtrailers.net. All right. Thanks a lot.